Hello and welcome to Gentle Yoga with Cynthia. Do you sometimes feel unsteady when you're stepping down off of a curb or if you're standing on one leg? Well, in this video, I will show you some very gentle yoga positions that will help you increase your balance and increase strength. The yoga positions are all standing and you don't have to get down on the floor or your mat. So remember, whenever you're doing yoga poses, never push through pain. And always, if you need support on a chair, just use your chair for support when needed. So let's begin with mountain pose. I want you to stand on your mat. Stand tall, lengthen the spine, relax the shoulders, tighten the abdomen, engage all of your leg muscles. And by that I mean tightening the thigh muscles, the back and the front, your calves, ground your feet in your mat, wiggle your toes, relax the shoulders, tighten the abdomen, look straight ahead, and breathe. Take 5 breaths. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. The next pose, take your arm up to the ceiling and take a side bend to the right. Lean over to your left side. Take your right hand to the ceiling and then back down to your side. Take your left hand up to the ceiling, lean over to your right, just gently, and then back to the center and arm back down to the side. Switch sides, arm up to the ceiling, lean over to your left, come to the center, arm back down. Let's do this again. And remember to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. How does that feel? I hope it feels good. Next, I would like for you to do a standing side twist. And I want you to have your frame facing forward, but just gently look over to your right side. Take a nice inhale and exhale. Come back to the center. On the inhale, and then on the exhale, I want you to twist to the left, and then come back to the center. And continue on the opposite side. Inhale and exhale, twist. Come to the center, look over, just a small twist to the left. Come back to the center. Right side, center, left side, center. One more on each side. Right side and left side. And relax the pose. We'll start with raising your heels. Raise your right heel and have your foot on the ball of your feet. Just raise the right heel and then back down on the mat. Raise the left heel and your foot is on the ball of your foot. Heel back down again, and we're breathing in. And we're exhaling. Inhale and exhale. Two more on each side. That's one. And then That's 2. And relax the pose. The next we'll focus on toes. Just gently ground your feet, but lift your toes. Tighten your abdomen, relax the shoulders, and look straight ahead. And then place your toes back down on the mat. Again, raise your toes. Now you can feel this movement in your ankles. So we're strengthening those muscles in that area. 3 more times. Raise your toes and place them back down on the mat. Raise the toes again, back down on the mat. 1 more time. Raise the toes and then back down on the mat. And then now I want you to raise the back of your heel, bend the knee, raise the heel on the right, and then on the left. Raise the heel, and then swing your arms. Swing your arms. This creates energy. This gets your blood flowing. And swing your arms from side to side, and as you swing your arms, just bend the knee and lift the back of your heels. And breathe in and breathe out. Doesn't that feel good? Okay. 1 more on each side. And relax. The next pose is lifting your knee off the mat and just raising your knee and placing your foot back down on the mat. Raise your opposite knee, bend the knee, and lift the foot off your mat and place it back down on the mat. Grab a chair if you need support or a wall. And I'll turn to the side and I'll grab the wall. You can just lift your knee, place your knee back down on the mat. Lift the opposite knee, place it back down on the mat. Lift the right knee and lift the left knee. Now, another pose I'd like for us to do is, if you have a strap, take your strap, place it in your foot, find your balance on the wall, and just raise 1 foot, raise it again, breathe, strengthen or lengthen the spine. Now let's switch your feet. Put the strap in the left foot, extend that foot out in front of you. But hold on the wall if you need support. 2 more times. 1 and 2. And relax. Come back on the mat. Now I would like for you to do a tree pose. Just gently lean to the right. Bend the left knee, take the left knee out to the side, to the left side. And keep your big toe on the mat. Lengthen the spine, tighten the stomach muscle, and relax the shoulders. And grow your tree. Extend both arms out to the side. Bring them up and meet the palms together. And look at something that's not moving, which is your drishti. Take a nice inhale and exhale. And remember to tighten the stomach and bring the arms back down to the side. Straighten the leg out and relax the pose. Other side, lean to the left. Bend the right knee and bring it out to the side. Keep your big toe on the mat. Tighten the stomach muscle. Grow your tree. Relax the shoulders. Look straight ahead at something that's not moving. That's called your drishti. And breathe. Relax both arms. Shake it out. And we'll do each side again. Lean to the right. Take the knee out to the left. Keep your big toe on the mat. Extend both arms out to the side. Grow your tree. Bring your palms together, relax the shoulders and tighten your stomach muscle and lengthen the spine. And breathe. And relax the arms down to the side, other side. Bend the knee, take it out to the right, tighten the abdomen, keep the big toe on the mat, extend both arms out to the side, bring palms together, tighten the stomach muscle, relax the shoulders, and find your drishti. And relax the pose. And now just lean your right heel up, lean the left heel up, right heel up, left heel up. Now stand to the side. We'll raise standing leg raises. Hold on to the wall, bend the knee, and just raise your leg. And place the leg back down on the mat. Other side, bend the left knee as high as you can go or as low as you can go. Hold the wall or not hold the wall. And place the hand back down, your foot back down on the mat. And again, it's just a matter of lifting the right knee, placing it back down on the mat, and lifting the left knee. And you can practice that as many times as you like and hold on to a chair or the wall. So I want you back in mountain pose again. Let's stand in mountain pose and take 2 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Bring your hands to your heart center. This means that you have shown up for your class today. You've shown up for yourself, which is a major achievement. Thank you for doing this short practice with me, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Yoga with Cynthia. I appreciate your views and your feedback. Namaste.